You have to ask yourself, who forgot Westmoreland? If they had Westmoreland for so long, why is it that the infrastructure here is so neglected? Who forgot Westmoreland? If Westmoreland has been so loyal to the PNP, why has the PNP been disloyal and neglected Westmoreland? And so for all the PNP who are here with us, and I must tell you, the politics is so nice, that wherever we travel, the PNP travel with us. Welcome to all the PNP who are here. Welcome to our meeting. It is an important question that should be answered. You have a seat for so long, and then you can turn around and cause a fire station never built. When you had the seat for 50 years and no fire station built. That is a question that all PNP supporters must ask PNP. This election is about two things: promise and performance. That's what it is about. You have to think whether or not you're going to vote for a promise or you're going to vote on performance.